Chloe, I'm having trouble with the days of the week, especially the order of the days.
That's okay. I can help you with a special song. Monday is the first day. Tuesday sounds like two. Wednesday before Thursday. Friday super cool.
Monday is the first day?
That's right.
Tuesday sounds like two.
You got it. Wednesday before Thursday. Friday super cool. Saturday starts the weekend. Family time to play. Sunday fun day. And it starts all over again.
Wow, that wasn't hard at all.
Right?
Thank you, Chloe.
Welcome, Kylan. I can help you anytime you want.
Can we do one more time to really remember it?
Maybe our friends can join us.
Let's do it.
Monday is the first day.